Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be for Pisces sun, moon and rising sign for the whole month of the July. So this is going to be general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. So if it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at your past, present and future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some advice for the Pisces. Okay. In the recent past, we have the Judgment, we have the Queen of Pentacles, we have the Three of Cups. In the present, we have the World, the Two of Cups, the Three of Wands. In the future, we have the Seven of Cups, there is the Knight of Pentacles, there's the Ten of Pentacles. The challenge for the week is the Queen of Wands. Challenge for the week is could be dealing with an fire sign, the Aries, Sagittarius or a Leo. Whoever this person is offering you some stability, some skills. They know how this process of, if they're offering you a love connection, they know how this actually works. They don't know how they're being stable in their connection and they're offering you something in the present situation. Okay, whoever it is, this is to deal with this person. This person is offering you something. The challenge for the week, I'm going to clarify it in a moment. So in the recent past, there's a Judgment, there's a Queen of Pentacles, there is the Three of Cups. There's a chances of your ex coming back. There was a ex coming back. This could be a Taurus, Capricorn or a Virgo. You're going to get some clarification or realization about this person. You waited for something from a very long time in order to get some clarity about this person or the relationship you had with this person. I see finally you're going to, there is some reconciliation. The chances of getting back to your ex. Okay, Pisces. I'm going to clarify it in a moment. So in the present situation, there's the World, there's the Two of Pentacles, there is the Three of Wands. There is some ending happening in the present situation, but still you're not sure about it. You're not sure, should I have to end the situation? Okay, now I have ended the connection with this person, and what now? What next? You're thinking of your future a lot, I feel. You are not living in your present situation, Pisces. You are having some negative thinking. Oh, okay, what next? I did something here, it got ended. You're like stressing yourself. What next? What is the next decision? It's like that. You're constantly making some changes, getting to some conclusion. If this is not serving you, you're just cutting it off and looking up about something else and looking about your future. It's like that. I'm going to clarify it in a moment. In the future, there is the Seven of Cups, there is the Knight of Pentacles, there is the Ten of Cups. There's a chances you having a lot of options in the future, or you'll be having some lot of confusion about your relationship status, which is going to get you a lot of confusion. Someone having Taurus, a Virgo or a Capricorn, this person could be offering you something in the future. This is going to leave you to some confusion. This is like going to have some, this is why you're going to get some confusion about the situation. Whoever it is, I feel you are going to deal with this person, going to get some potential connection with this person, or you really going to have some good time with the person in the future situation. I'm going to clarify it in a moment. First, I'm going to clarify the challenge for the week. You dealing with an fire sign. What is this person offering? What is this happening between you and this person? The challenge for the week. Pisces. So the Queen of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Wands, the Five of Cups, the Seven of Cups. Okay, This is the person who is going to get you in sort of confusion in the future situation. This is someone from your past, or you have some emotional breakdown with this person. There is something you used to share with this person. This could be you have shared with this person how you really feel about your emotions. You really go to this person and share your emotions. Actually, you go through a lot of healing with this person. This could be a such decision. This person was being on and off lately with you. This could be your ex. Okay, this person was like on and off, on and off, on and off, but now in the present situation they're offering you something big. Okay, which is why you are getting to in confusion. There is a challenge for the week. You have to come out of this confusion and make some decision about this person. If this is about your ex, then yeah, you have to stop regretting and move on with this person. Okay, I'm going to clarify the judgment in the recent past. There was some realization between you and your partner. So the judgment is clarified by the Chariot card, the Wheel of Fortune, the Lovers. Okay, many of you, after realizing something about your ex or something about a person, you actually decided to reconcile with this person. Okay, move towards reconciliation. Okay, because you feel there is a lot of changes this person could make in your life, a lot of positive changes, and there was some strong pull between you and this person in the recent past. You were ready, you were waiting for a moment in order to get back to this person, because you feel there was a strong pull towards this person. You were attracted, they're attracted, there was some mutual bondage, so which is why you are getting back to this person. Okay, there is a reconciliation. There was in the present situation, I'm going to clarify the word. There is some ending in the present situation, ending of a connection or ending of a friendship. There is some ending you're doing in the present situation, Pisces. I'm going to clarify the world for you. Okay, so the world is clarified by the Moon, by the Ace of Swords, by the King of Swords. You had been in connection with someone who used to hide a lot of things, who used to be so secretive, who didn't share what you wanted, who didn't share how they felt about this connection, who wasn't being honest with this connection. You're getting to know about this, you're getting some clarity about this person, about this connection in the present moment, which is why you are thinking of cutting off this relationship, ending this connection very fast. Okay, I'm going to clarify the Two of Pentacles. What is that you are deciding? This could be you or your partner in the present situation, who is like deciding between two options. They don't know what to do in the future. They're more concerned about the future. I feel this is you, Pisces. So the Two of Pentacles is clarified by the Page of Cups, the Two of Wands, the Empress. Okay, for many of you, there's a chances of new love coming your way in the present situation. You don't know what to do with this person. You could be dealing with already you could be in a connection. You don't know what to do. Should I have to separate? Because there is some ending happening in the present situation. This is like you are looking towards your growth, looking towards something. You are planning towards somewhere. Where is your growth is? You are just ending the connection with this person in the present situation. I feel you are thinking of separating and actually looking towards something where there is growth, where there is real growth. Okay, the Three of Wands. What is this message from Three of Wands in the present situation? For many of you in the present situation, there's a chance this is a new love, which is what you're cutting off in the present situation. The Three of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords. There's the Two of Swords. You're very confused. You are going to end up with so much confusion. Should I have to end with this person? Should I really have to give it another chance? Should I have to take some new opportunity? There's some new opportunity could be coming your way in the near future. Should I have to go towards new, or because in this connection someone was lying to you, someone was not being honest to you. You'll end up being so confused. Okay, should I have to take the next opportunity? Should I have to look towards my future? Because this person is leading you, giving you a lot of confusion. This person is being lying to you. This person is not being honest in this connection. This person is hiding a lot. There is no growth in this relationship. That's what I'm getting. This is still in the page of cup stage. It's like still getting birth. There's no stability, I could say. This is not something strong. This person is being so on and off, giving a lot of confusion. Okay, in the future, I'm going to clarify the Seven of Cups. Someone is having confusion. Before that, I'm going to clarify the Knight of Pentacles. Someone is coming your way, giving you a lot of confusion in the future. I feel it's a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is this person has for you, Pisces? Judgment. Knight of Pentacles is clarified with the Judgment. The Four of Swords. The Three of Wands. Whatever this person coming your way in the future, this person has to do something with your past and the present situation. This person is going through a lot of healing. They couldn't get over you. This person could be the one with whom you ended the relationship with. Okay, or I don't feel sorry. I'm so sorry. This is not the person you ended the relationship with. This is the person whom you are thinking to move on. Okay, whoever this is, this person is going through a lot of healing. Whoever this is, but someone is going through a lot of healing. This could be you. This could be your partner. Actually looking towards the future. Whatever the situation is, after realizing everything, you are actually looking future with this person, whoever it is coming your way in the future. Okay, you are actually looking your future with this person because you feel you can go through a lot of healing with this person. This person can actually be very good for you. This person can be like a medicine. It's like that. There's some Ten of Cups. I feel there's still confusion in the future situation. I'm going to clarify the Seven of Cups for you. What is the confusion is all about, which is also there in the challenge. The Seven of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Wands. The Nine of Pentacles. There is the Three of Cups. You're going to have some communication with someone in the future, which is and you ending up being confusion. In order to overcome the confusion situation, you are actually working with some people regarding your confusion. That's what I see here. You want to be happy. Okay, you want to have happy life. That's why you are collaborating with some people and getting to know about the confusion you have in your mind. There's some lot of communication happening in order to clear your confusion. This could be about this person who is coming your way in the future, with whom you're thinking about your future. This could be about this person. Finally, I see you're going to get some realization after a lot of communication, and finally I see you are getting back together with this person. I see a happy ending here, Pisces. Finally, you'll find your soulmate. You'll find the one with whom you can be with. There's a lot of happy moment at the end of the month. This can only happen if you really sort off all your confusions, if you cut off the person who was on and off with you and stop regretting about your past and actually move on with this person. That's the challenge for the week. You will get a very happy moment with this person in the future. Whoever it is going to bring a lot of happiness in your life. So I'm going to pull some advice for you, Pisces. So the advice for you is, you are good enough. The one more thing you really need to know is, you don't have to always collaborate with someone or be with someone. Or I always get this for Pisces or Cancer sometimes. You don't really want to be with someone's emotional connection. You're good enough. Okay, you have to practice how to make good decisions, how to get out of this confusion. You really don't want someone else's help in order to overcome your confusion. So whatever it is, try to work out on yourself, because your personal life, don't let anyone else to interfere, because those are the people who are letting you to be in confusion. Okay, that is all I have for you, Pisces people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.